पामाल लेटेस्ट एपिसोड, जब जिंदगी ने रजा को पामाल कर दिया। बोलो भाई, ऐसी लिफ्टिंग ट्विस्ट किसी ने एक्सपेक्ट की थी? पामाल इज ऑफिशियली एंटर्ड द जोन वेयर इमोशंस, रिग्रेट, कर्मा एंड ट्रेजेडी ऑल कोलाइड, एंड द एंटायर एपिसोड बिलोंग टू उस्मान मुख्तार एज रजा, हु डिलीवर्ड अ परफॉर्मेंस सो रॉ कि बंदा खुद कंफ्यूज हो जाए, इसको हेट करूं या इस पर रॉन्ग। दिस एपिसोड वाज नॉट जस्ट अ ट्विस्ट, इट वाज अ कैरेक्टर डिसमेंटलिंग। रजा, जो हमेशा डोमिनेटिंग, कंट्रोलिंग, मैं ही सही हूं मोड में रहता था, फाइनली गेट्स हिट बाय द वन थिंग ही कैन नॉट मैनिपुलेट, डेथ। तो आगे चलने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। एपिसोड की शुरुआत ही इतनी हैवी थी कि लगा कोई बड़ा बॉम्ब फटने वाला है। रजा की हेल्थ की हालत बहुत टाइम से वियर्ड चल रही थी, बट लास्ट नाइट इट स्नैप्ड। द वे ही कोलैप्स्ड, द ट्रेम्बलिंग, द कंफ्यूजन, it wasn't overacting, it wasn't dramatic, it was painfully realistic. Usman Mukhtar absolutely nailed the body language of a man losing control over his own body and life. Hospital scenes in Pakistani dramas usually feel fake, but here, Malika's fear, Raza's silence, doctors का clinical coldness, everything felt authentic. When the doctor said, Mr. Raza, आपका कैंसर लास्ट स्टेज पर है, it was like the entire drama suddenly paused. Malika का stunned face, Raza का blank stare, the scene was brutal, simple and emotionally devastating. And the best part, they didn't drag it. They delivered it clean, straightforward and powerful. ये वो सीन था जहां व्यूअर्स की फीलिंग्स उलझ गई। Is this the same Raza जो गैसलाइट मलिका को करता था? The same man जिसको कभी किसी के दर्द की परवाह नहीं थी? For the first time, Raza looked small, scared, human. His tears were not of guilt, they were of pure fear. And for a moment, even his haters paused. This is the magic of Pamal. They took a grey character and made his vulnerability hit like a truck. Sabaa Qamar once again proved why she is unbeatable. Malika's reaction wasn't dramatic crying. It was layered. Shock, fear, hurt, and somewhere deep inside, compassion for a man she once loved. But the most powerful part? She didn't break. She didn't fall apart. Instead, she became stronger, calmer and more centered. This tragedy is slowly turning her into a woman with clarity and courage, something Raza never allowed. Raza का fragmented apology was heartbreaking. Malika, मैं गलत था। ये वो लाइन थी जिसका हमारी ऑडियंस 18 एपिसोड से इंतजार कर रही थी। बट द आयरनी, he said it when his life slipped out of his hands. It hit differently, because for the first time, the apology wasn't ego-saving, it was survival instinct. It was a man begging life to give him one more chance. Pamal has reached its peak. This episode is one of the strongest of the entire series. Emotional, powerful, painful, and beautifully acted. It sets up the last episodes to be even more heavy, more meaningful, and potentially heartbreaking. Raza ka downfall is tragic, but also poetic. A man who controlled everyone now cannot control his own fate. And Malika is finally rising. So this was all about today. Stay spicy and tuned till next video. Like, share and subscribe for more exclusive Lollywood updates.